Hello students, now we are going to study our next method is Gauss-Seidel method. Question is, solve using Gauss-Seidel method 8x plus 2y plus 3z equal to 30, x minus 9y plus 2z equal to 1 and 2x plus 3y plus 6z equal to 30, and in bracket it is given that 2 iterations only, means we have to solve up to 2 iterations. First, we write given equations. Now we have to check which equations we are going to write for x equal to, y equal to and z equal to. If you check coefficient of x is 8, 1 and 2. So 8 is highest number. So we convert first equation as x equal to. Then you check coefficient of y, 2, 9 and 3. Don't consider it as a minus 9. Only 2, 9 and 3. So 9 is greater number. So we consider second equation. We convert second equation as y equal to, and in 3, 2 and 6 is greater, so we convert third equation z equal to. Now we write first equation x equal to, we shift 2y and 3z to the right side, so 30 minus 2y minus 3z divided by coefficient of x 8. Second equation y equal to, so we shift x and z to the right side, so 1 minus x minus 2z, we shift x and z to the right side, and coefficient of y is minus 9, so our denominator is minus 9. Now z equal to, we shift 2x plus 3y to the right side, so 31 minus 2x minus 3y upon coefficient of z, that is 6. So here again we write x equal to 30 minus 2y minus 3z upon 8, y 1 minus x minus 2z upon minus 9, z 31 minus 2x minus 3y upon 6. Now to find first iteration, means x1, y1, z1, we use initial values x0, y0, z0 equal to 0. देखिए यहाँ तक हमने जो सॉल्व किया है वो सेम जैकोबीज मेथड जैसे Gauss-Seidel सॉल्व किया. Now to find x1 we use initial value y0 and z0 equal to 0. Formula for x is 30 minus 2y minus 3z. So 30 minus 2 into y is 0. Minus 3 into z is also 0. 30 minus 2 into y is 0, z is 0, so is equal to 30 and divided by 8. So x1 is 3.75. x1 3.75. Now we have to find y1. Gauss-Seidel मेथड में क्या करना है, हर एक वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करने के लिए उसके पीछे के दो वैल्यूज हमें यूज करना है. काय करायचं आहे, प्रत्येक व्हॅल्यू फाइंड आउट करताना त्याच्या मागचे दोन व्हॅल्यूज यूज करायचे. आता इथं आपण x1 फाइंड आउट करताना x1 च्या आधीचे दोन व्हॅल्यूज म्हणजे y0 आणि z0 0 यूज केला. आता y1 फाइंड आउट करताना y1 च्या आधीचे दोन व्हॅल्यूज, y1 च्या आधी कोण आहे, x1 आणि z0, म्हणजे x च्या ठिकाणी x1 आणि z च्या ठिकाणी z0 यूज करायचं. प्रत्येक व्हॅल्यू फाइंड आउट करताना त्याच्या मागचे दोन वैल्यूज यूज करायचे। यहाँ पे अगर आपको y1 फाइंड आउट करना है तो y1 के पहले दो वैल्यूज कौन सा है, एक x1 है और एक z0 है। तो y1 के फॉर्मूले में x की जगह पे x1 यूज करना है, z की जगह पे z0 यूज करना है। तो देखिए अभी 1 माइनस x मीन्स x1 3.75 माइनस 2 इंटू z मीन्स z0 दैट इज 0 इक्वल टू minus 2.75 divided by minus 9. So our answer is 0.3055. 0.3055. एकच गोष्ट तुम्हाला लक्षात ठेवायचं आहे की गॉस सिडल मध्ये प्रत्येक व्हॅल्यू फाइंड आउट करताना त्याच्या मागचे दोन वैल्यूज यूज करायचे। क्या याद रखोगे, गॉस सिडल मेथड में हर एक वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करने के लिए उसके पीछे के दो वैल्यूज हमें यूज करना है। अभी Z1 सॉल्व कर रहे हैं हम, Z1 सॉल्व करने के लिए Z1 के पहले के दो वैल्यूज, Z1 के पीछे दो वैल्यूज कौन से है, x1 y1। सो वी यूज 31 माइनस 2 इंटू x मीन्स x1 3.75 माइनस 3 इंटू y मीन्स y1 0.3055 इक्वल टू 22.5835 divided by 6. So our answer is 3.7639. 3.7639. ये हमारा फर्स्ट इटरेशन कंप्लीट होगा x1 y1 z1। नाउ टू फाइंड x2, अभी x2 फाइंड आउट कर लेंगे। x2 के पहले के दो वैल्यूज, x2 के पहले कोण आहे, y1 z1। x2 जर तुम्हाला फाइंड आउट करायचं असेल तर x2 च्या आधी दोन व्हॅल्यूज आहेत, कुठले दोन व्हॅल्यूज आहेत, y1 आणि z1। म्हणजे x च्या फॉर्म्युल्यात y1 आणि z1 यूज करायचं। सो 30 माइनस फॉर्म्युला फॉर x 30 माइनस 2 इंटू y मीन्स y1 0.3055 माइनस 3 इंटू z मीन्स z1 3.7639 equal to, and denominator is 8, so divided by 8, 2.2621, 2.2621. Now to find y1 we use previous two values. Previous two values of y2 is x2 and z1. So in this formula we use x2 and z1. 1 minus x2 2.2621 minus 2 into z means z1 3.7639 equal to, and divided by denominator is minus 9. So our answer is 0.9766. 0.9766. Now last z2. To find z2 we use previous two values means x2 and y2. So formula for z2 31 minus 2 into x means x2 2.2621 minus 3 into y means y2 0.9766 equal to, and divided by denominator is 6. So answer is 3.9243. 3.9243. 3.9243. Therefore, after two iterations, solution is x equal to 2.2621, y equal to 0.9766 and z equal to 3.9243. Next question. Solve using Gauss-Seidel method. 3x plus 2y equal to 4.5, 2x plus 3y minus z equal to 5, minus y plus 2z equal to 0.52. By taking x0 0.4, y0 1.6, z0 is 0.4. Now Given equations 3x plus 2y equal to 4.5, 2x plus 3y minus z equal to 5, and minus y plus 2z equal to 0.52. First, we check coefficients of x. In first equation, coefficient of x is 3, second is 2. So 3 is greater than 2. So we convert first equation as x equal to. Now we check coefficient of y, 2, 3 and 1. So 3 is greater. So we convert second equation as y equal to. And if you check coefficient of z, here is 1, 2. So we convert third equation as z equal to. So x equal to, right side as it is 4.5. If you shift 2y to the right side, it becomes minus 2y, and denominator is coefficient of x, that is 3. Second equation, y equal to, right side 5 as it is, 2x and minus z. If you shift to the right side, it becomes minus 2x and plus z, minus 2x and plus z, and denominator is coefficient of y, that is 3. Now last third equation, z equal to, right side 0.52. If you shift minus y to right side, it becomes plus y, and denominator is coefficient of z, that is 2. Coefficient of z is 2. In question, it is given that initial values. So here we use initial values x 0.4, y 0 1.6, z 0 0.4. If initial values are not given in the question, then we use initial values x 0, y 0, z 0 equal to 0. Now first we write value of x and y and z. 4.5 minus 2y upon 3, y 5 minus 2x plus z upon 3, and z 0.52 plus y upon 2. Now first iteration, x1, y1, z1. To find first value x1, we use previous two values. Previous two values mean before x1, which values are there? y0 and z0. But in formula of x, there is only y variable. So 4.5 minus 2 into y means y0, 1.6 equal to, and divide by denominator 3, 0.4333, 0.4333. Now to find y1, we use again previous two values. Previous two values means x1 and z0. Before y1, which values are there? x1 and z0. So instead of x, we use x1, and instead of z, z0. So formula is 5 minus 2 into x means x1, 0.4333, plus z means z0, 0.4, equal to, and denominator is 3. So divided by 3 equal to 1.5111. 1.5111. Now to find z1, we use previous two values means x1 and y1. But there is no x in this formula of z, so only we use y1. So 0.52 plus y means y1, 1.5111, equal to, and then divided by 2, 1.0155. Z1 is 1.0155. Now second iteration x2. To find x2 we use previous two values, means y1 and z1. So formula of x1 is 4.5 minus 2 into y means y1. 4.5 minus 2 into y means y1. y1 is 1.5111 equal to, and divided by denominator is 3. Denominator 3. So 0.4926. 0.4926. Now to find y2, again we use previous two values. Previous two means x2 and z1. x2 and z1. So 5 minus 2 into x means x2, 0.4926, plus z means z1, 1.0155 equal to, and divided by denominator is 3, so divided by 3, 1.6767, 1.6767, and last z2, 0.52 plus y means y1, 1.6767. To find z2 we use previous two values, means x2, y2, but in this given equation of z there is no x variable x, so only we use y2, equal to, and denominator is 2, so divided by 2 it gives you 1.0983. 1.0983. Therefore, after two iterations, solution is x equal to 0.4926, y equal to 1.6767, and z equal to 1.0983.